Hey guys, Brad8671 coming back at you here with this one package mail day from Purplegt22. Rise up. Well, something's going to rise up after I open this, I imagine. What's in here, I can't believe, quite honestly. So, I'm just going to show. Oh no, and there's a lot more than there should be in here. There's even more than that. And wearing the Zach Thomas jersey. That's right. Let's see. Second, first. Okay. Brad, here are a few cards for your PC. Enjoy, brother. Oh, I'm sure I will. Let's see. We got out of Chrome. We got a Reggie Bush. A Michael Agnew 84. A Jonathan Martin. I like him. Lamar Miller. I have a feeling going to play a big role next season. And a Jonathan Martin again. Nice. A John Beck at a sweet spot. ×2. And, oh, a Ted Ginn rookie jersey from Upper Deck. This is nice. The Tannehill, I think this is the 57 version. And I definitely don't have this from Strata, the Tannehill rookie. I know I definitely don't have that. And then Tannehill from Chrome. Oh, that's sick. And then the Tannehill, I think it's the X-Fractor. Oh, I know I don't have that one either. That's beautiful. That's sick. I don't have this either. And then we got Jake Long, UD rookie jersey. We got one with the holes in it. And then we got one without. So, Steve, that's enough right there, man. That's sweet. I love this X-Fractor. That's awesome. And then number 2. Got an Agnew jersey out of Chrome. I think you get that from the retail. And then, this is so sick too. Out of Crown Royale. Look at that. That's the one thing Crown does right, is those rookie patch autos. Michael Agnew, rookie patch auto, 4-color. That is so nasty. And it's numbered 6/49. So I think it's the green version. It's a short print version. Man, that is so sick. And then this next card, oh wow. Oh, that is so freaking awesome. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm in all of it. I'll show it to you. From Strata, Ryan Tannehill, die cut auto. And it's numbered 5/5. I don't know if you can see that at the top. There we go. 5/5. And Steve, this crazy mofo, just sent it to me. That's just amazing. Wow. No joke, this actually may be my favorite Tannehill card in the collection. That just looks awesome. I love the background to it, and then the die cut. Oh, that is so sick. Steve, you know I really appreciate it, man. That is just so awesome. Wow, 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 wow. So, yeah. What a way to start the week, huh? Wow. Thanks again, Steve. Love you, buddy.